Hello friends, in previous lecture we see that the molecular orbital energy level diagram for carbon molecule. Today's lecture we will discuss about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for nitrogen molecule. We know that nitrogen molecule is formed by combination of two nitrogen atom and one nitrogen atom having the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. This is electronic configuration of nitrogen atom. In this case, 1s orbital having the lower energy, so it does not take part for formation of molecular orbital. Only the 2s and 2p orbital having the suitable energy to take part for formation of molecular orbital. That means there are total 2 2s orbital and 6 2p orbital. That means total 8 atomic orbital are take part for combination to form the molecular orbital. There are total 8 molecular orbital are formed. Only the 2s and 2p orbital and their electron are take part for formation of molecular orbital. In 2s orbital, there is presence of the 2 electron. There is presence of the 2 nitrogen atom. Therefore, in 2s orbital, there are total 4 electron are present. In 2p orbital, there is presence of the 3 electron. Then 3 are present in another nitrogen atom. Okay, this core electron, first 2 electron are goes to the bonding sigma 2s orbital because it having the less energy. After this orbital is fulfilled, then electron goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Remaining 2 electron are goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital, that means sigma star 2s orbital. Then in 2p orbital, there are total 6 electrons are present. Firstly, electron occupy the position for bonding molecular orbital and then it goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, the 4 electrons are present in pi 2p1 and pi 2pz orbital. Then remaining 2 electrons are goes to the sigma 2px orbital. This is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for nitrogen molecule. In this case, for by using this molecular orbital energy level diagram, we have to calculate the stabilization energy, bond order and its electron configuration. Firstly, we see the electron configuration of nitrogen molecule. Electron configuration. We know that in nitrogen atom 1s orbital is present, which is becomes the non-bonding. Okay, therefore for this cell we have to write the letter K and there is presence of the 2 atom, therefore K is repeated. Okay, then electron present in anti-bonding sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2, then pi 2p1, there is presence of total 2 electron, then pi 2pz, there is presence of 2 electron, and then sigma 2px2. This is electron configuration of nitrogen molecule. Then stabilization energy of nitrogen molecule. We know very well the formula for calculation of stabilization energy. The next one is the stabilization energy. Stabilization energy for nitrogen molecule. The formula for stabilization of energy is electron present in bonding molecular orbital. How many electrons are present? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into minus beta plus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. How many electrons are present in anti-bonding molecular orbital? There is total 2 electrons are present, multiplied by plus beta. Okay, therefore stabilization energy for nitrogen molecule is minus 6 beta. This is stabilization energy for nitrogen molecule. Then bond order for nitrogen molecule. Next point is bond order. The formula for calculation of bond order is 1 by 2 number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. That means 1 by 2, how many electron are present in bonding molecular orbital is 8 minus 2. Okay, that means the bond order is 3. The bond order for nitrogen molecule is 3. This is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for nitrogen molecule. Thank you.